Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today I am going to explain what is the firewall and different type of firewalls. This lecture I prepared for the new learners in network security. Please like and subscribe my channel and also comments to improve the contents of the lecture in future. The first topic is what is firewall? Firewall is a network security device which protect our trusted network from unauthorized access or attacks. The best example of trusted network is our LAN or the internal network of the organization. The untrusted network is the internet. It can be hardware or software. Firewall can be a hardware, can be a software. The market leaders in the firewall is the Checkpoint, FortiGate, Cisco, Palo Alto, and many more. It controls network traffic based on a set of security rules defined to allow or block the flow of the traffic. Suppose any internal user wants to access the outside of the network, like internet application or any uh, application. So that traffic can be controlled by firewall because if the traffic is going through the firewall, it inspects on the firewall and it can be blocked or it can be allowed based on the action we have applied for this particular flow. Firewall mostly deployed on the perimeter of the organization. Firewall device monitor and control the network traffic. Firewall device can be monitor and and control of the traffic. Suppose inside user accessing any unauthorized application over the internet. So for that particular traffic, we can monitor and we can use that logs for the audit purpose for that unwanted access used by the user. Firewall is first line of defense in network security. The next one is types of firewall. The packet filtering firewall. It is a traditional firewall which protect our network by monitoring incoming and outgoing packet. And based on the action, the traffic is allowed or blocked. It take action based on the source IP, destination IP, source port, and destination port. It do not maintain any track of the traffic which is passing through the firewall. If the traffic is going from inside to outside, this firewall does not maintain any record of that particular traffic, just like the stateful table in the stateful firewall. I will explain in my next slide. The rule need to create for both direction, either traffic going out and returning back because it's do not maintain any track for the return traffic. So the policy need to create for the both direction for this flow. Stateful inspection firewalls. This type of firewall capable to inspect application layer information in the application layer in OSI model to protect a network from application layer attack like HTTP or HTTPS traffic, which is application layer traffic. And based on the inspection action we have applied for the traffic, it can be blocked or it can be allowed to protect our network as per organization's standard and requirements. At application layer, if found something suspicious which can harm our network or systems, the application layer firewall block the traffic based on the action we have applied on the application layer firewall. Next generation firewalls. NGFW is an intelligent device. We can say it's third generation firewall technology. NGFW included additional features over traditional firewall like application awareness and control, intrusion prevention system, cloud delivered threat intelligence, and deep packet inspection. These features are additional from the traditional firewalls. It is designed to protect against modern cyber threats through intelligence at the application level. Cloud firewall. A cloud firewall helps us to protect cloud infrastructure, just like the traditional firewall protect on-premise network or systems. Nowadays, we are more using to AWS applications, and most of the organizations now moving to the AWS to protect to deploy their network, server, database, and many more. For these infrastructure security, the cloud firewall is used to protect these things. So this delivered firewall model also called firewall as a service. So in the cloud, there is no need to deploy the firewall box over there. So there is a included service we can use at cloud to protect the infrastructure we have deployed in the cloud. Thanks.